Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of limitations when creating presentations on Tome AI's free account? Well, upgrading to a premium plan can unlock a world of possibilities. In this guide, we will walk you through the simple process of upgrading your Tome AI subscription plan. So, let's get started. First, you can choose whether to log in or not. If you already have an account, it's highly recommended to log in for a smoother process. I've already logged in, so here we are on our dashboard. Locate the upgrade option. You'll find it right beside the create button in the upper right corner. Tome AI offers 3 subscription plans. There's the free account, which we are currently using, the pro account priced at $8 annually, and the enterprise plan, which requires you to contact Tome's support team for details. Keep in mind that these prices are for annual subscriptions. If you prefer a monthly plan, it might be a bit more expensive. Now, which plan is right for you? If your work frequently involves creating presentations, an annual subscription might be the better choice, as it can save you money in the long run. However, if you're working on a one-time project, the monthly plan could be more convenient. Once you have made your decision, click on the upgrade button and you will be prompted to provide some information, including your billing details. Fill in the required information and click subscribe. After subscribing, keep an eye on your email inbox. You should receive a confirmation email from Tome AI verifying that your subscription has been successfully upgraded. And there you have it. Upgrading your Tome AI subscription plan is as simple as that. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to Tome's AI support team. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.